Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm here with the Pat McGrath blushes. She launched this collection. She had a quad. I think there's a lip product and a highlighter. I only got the blushes. I was pretty excited for these blushes. She's never done blushes before. They're called the Divine blush. This is what the packaging looks like. And I picked up a total of 6. Nobody needs these many blushes, but of course, well, I don't have an excuse. So I picked up 6 blushes. I picked up 3 separately, and then I bundled the trio because it worked out. It was more, you know, financially fiscal to do that. So I picked up 6. So I picked up Nude Venus, Nymphette, Desert Orchid, Lovestruck, Electric Bloom, and Paradise Venus. Now these blushes retailed for $38, and they're going to be launching on Sephora tomorrow, Friday, because I'm filming Thursday. So I ordered these blushes on the day of launch, and I had so much confusion getting it. When I thought I was getting it, I didn't get it, and then when they said it was going to be delivered that day, they sorted it incorrectly, they said. So I guess it went someplace else, and I was very annoyed, but I finally got it. All right, so I purchased mine off of her website, of course, and it's blush without caution, and it's supposed to be ultra blendable hues from Pat's first ever blush collection. Each shade is curated limited edition. Oh, I didn't know it was limited edition set. Delivers feather-light, long-wearing rush of couture color in demi matte and satin finishes. I love blushes that have a satin finish because I feel on my skin tone, even if it's not pigmented, it'll have that shine to it. Their ultra-fine powder pigments are sensually soft, brilliantly blendable, and build effortlessly from sheer to subversive, bare to bold to beyond, ensuring a wondrous wash of customizable color. That was a whole mouthful, and I'm here for it. All right, so like I said, I got 6. All right, so I went ahead. It comes in her beautiful black packaging with the gold writing. I went ahead and I just took them all out of the boxes, but I don't see the name on them. The names I see on the boxes, so I don't remember what box correspond to what. Oh my God, is this for real? I mean, we're gonna get rid of the boxes. Why put the shade on the box? Okay. Whew. It's right here on the bottom, on the back, little and tiny, so I can read that this is Nymphette. Because I was about to say, geez, Louise. So it has like a little, excuse the snail, it broke and I put glue on it. Ratchet. So it has like this little, see, I knew I would struggle to open it. Let me press it and see. Okay, that wasn't so bad. So this is Nymphette, and Nymphette is described as what? I wrote it down. Soft pink with a golden pearl. So I'm assuming this probably is the satin one. So this is Nymphette. Very light pink. Not sure if this now on my skin tone, but we'll see. So there goes Nymphette. Let me turn my light down a little. All right, so there goes Nymphette. I'm gonna swatch all of them, of course. We have Paradise Venus. So you have to, if you press on it and pull down, it opens. But yeah, it's a little tricky to open. So this, or maybe as you keep opening and closing it, it may get a little better. But right now, I'm kind of like struggling to open it. This took me a little while to open. All right, so we have Paradise Venus. Paradise Venus is described as terracotta, and it is a demi matte. This is a very pretty color. I love the rose embossed. Very pretty. There it is. Don't mean to flash you guys. They are very pigmented. So that's Paradise Venus. Now we have, this is Lovestruck. Lovestruck is described as Berry Pink, and it is Demi Matte. Berry Pink. This is absolutely stunning. This would look so amazing on really deep skin tones. Super pretty. There it is. Very nice. All right, moving on. We have, but this is going to be Fingerprint City. Definitely Fingerprint City. Okay, then we have, this is Nude Venus. I think I'm getting the hang of opening it. This is Nude Venus. And this is described as peachy pink with a golden pearl. I love anything that has a golden pearl. There it is. Definitely peachy pink. Let's see if it has the golden pearl. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I hope these are a little bit more buildable, because like the deeper shades, it's absolutely beautiful. They're pretty, but I thought it would swatch deeper. So let's hope they are buildable. Okay, 2 more to go. This is Desert Orchid. So you have to like press and then pull it open and it gets easier. So Desert Orchid. Desert Orchid is described as bronze rose with a golden pearl. I think I'm gonna love this, and this probably could be a highlighter too. Let's see. Desert Orchid. I love this color. You know, you guys know me. I think that was the best swatch of all of them. Very pretty. Love that. 1 more to go. Then lastly, we have Electric Rose. And Electric Rose is described as vivid coral, and it is a demi matte finish. Come on, open. Woo, this is bright. So vivid coral, all right. This is what it looks like. These are very dark skin friendly. This is my second best swatch, I think. Definitely very vivid. So these are all 6 blushes swatched on my NC50 skin tone. All right, so let's get, well, some of them on my face so you guys can see how they look. It's a pity I only have 2 cheeks, right? So let's start off with the lighter colors, right? Which one was this? I think I want to start off with the Desert Orchid, which is the bronze rose with a golden pearl. This one right here, Desert Rose. I'm going to try this one first. And I have 2 brushes here. I have my Sonia G, this is like her face blush brush, and I have my Smashbox brush. This one is a little looser and this is a little bit more compact. For the deeper shades, I think I'm going to use this one. For these shades, I think I'm going to go in with the Sonia G one. All right, so let's see here. This is Desert Orchid, bronze rose with a golden pearl. This is what it looks like on the brush. Just gonna put it on my cheeks. On my skin tone, doesn't have much color. It's more of a sheen. And you guys know I do like a wash of color. And this is definitely giving me more of a like a highlighted shade, but it's very bronzy and very cute. I personally like it. So this is it on both cheeks. So Desert Orchid, very pretty, nice and bronzy. I like this a lot. This is right up my alley, has that nice sort of bronzy glow to it that I think is perfect. Looks very pretty, but it's more of like has a nice satin kind of highlighted sheen, adds to the skin. Super. I had no business putting 1 blush on both cheeks. I made a mistake anyway. I wiped it off, repowdered, put on a little bit of foundation. So let's move on with the other two lighter shades. So I'm going to start off with, this is Nude Venus. And Nude Venus is described as peachy pink with a golden pearl. I cleaned my brush off. Let's get Nude Venus on. Okay, Nude Venus, you can see a little bit of the peach on my skin tone. I love the formula of these guys. I think the formula is fabulous. Oh, this showed up very peachy and nice. This would look... So, Nude Venus. I think this is very pretty. I think it looks amazing on my skin tone. That kind of soft peach with a little sheen on it. This is super, super pretty. Very nice. And I love like the subtle wash of color. Okay. All right, so, and there's a little bit of kick up in them when you swirl it. So maybe you don't need to swirl it, but I like swirling it. All right. So the other one I'm going to try is Nymphette. And Nymphette is described as soft pink with a golden pearl. Oh, this definitely has a beautiful, oh, this is gorgeous, guys. Look at that beautiful golden pearl. Look at that. Pat. Okay, so far, of all the lighter shades I swatched, this is my favorite. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that beautiful golden pearl. This is stunning, guys. Wow. I don't even think you need highlighter. I love the way this brush is putting it on. It looks very similar on my cheek though. This one looks very similar to that one, but this one has more, I think, more of a golden pearl to it. Oh, so pretty. All right, guys, I'm back to have the deeper shades. I think I put too much powder on my cheek because I'm trying to take my makeup off and put powder back on. I think I over powdered. Who cares? All right, so I'm gonna use my Smashbox brush for these. And I'm going to start off with this one. This is Paradise Venus, and this is described as terracotta, and it is a demi matte. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, this brush is doing a great job too. Okay, this is definitely buildable because I thought I would get more color on my cheek, but it's, you can definitely build this up, and I like that. You can build it up to the color that you want. It's not, when you put it on, it's not, you know, like really, really pigmented and loud. Oh, this is pretty. Isn't that beautiful? It's gorgeous. Oh. I like all of them so far, but I love those, the ones with the pearl. So pretty. Okay. So that was Paradise Venus. Let's clean the brush off. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Electric Bloom, and this is described as a vivid coral, and it has a demi matte finish. Oh, this one seemed to be the most pigmented. I don't think I need more than this. Wow. This is super, like, what is it? A vivid coral. It's looking more pink on me. Lord, that's a lot of blush. Woo! Okay, so this one, you need a light hand. A really light hand, because this is a lot. This one is the most pigmented, I would say, of all of them. I really love this coral. Now that it's next to this one though, it is more corally. See, this is a proper pink, like a dark pinkish looking color. This one is definitely more coral. All right, so we have one more to go. I have to get one of my cheeks off. And the last one is Lovestruck, which is described as berry pink, and it's a demi matte finish. So I'll come back and try on this. All right, I'm back. I think I put too much powder again, but you know, you guys get the picture. I'm trying to just wipe it off Put back the foundation, put back powder. Okay, so for the last shade, which is Lovestruck, which is supposed to be a berry pink. Okay, let's see how this looks. Ooh, this looks super bright on the brush. Oh, but see, it's buildable. All right, so I got cut off, but yes, this is the one I just put on, and this is Lovestruck. And I'm gonna add some eye highlighter because I added some highlighter over here. I'm gonna add some highlighter just to see how it'll look like when, you know, you put your highlighter on. I think, oh, see, highlighter, it just looks so pretty. I'm using my Guerlain Terracotta in the Sun. That's the only highlighter I've been using. And all right, so I already have the two that I like the most, my two favorites. This one here, and it is called Desert Orchid. Loved how this looked. I love the golden pearl that it has. So beautiful. This described bronze with the golden pearl, definitely. And the other one that I absolutely love is this one, and this is called Paradise Venus. Yeah. So these two are my favorite of all of them. I think these two are so good. Oh, love this. Love these two so much. But my favorite is this one. Definitely this one. Desert Orchid, the bronze with the golden pearl. I think it looked so pretty. So with the bright colored ones, because of course I'm going to wear it with highlighter. Look how pretty that looks with highlighter. You guys saw it without highlighter and with highlighter. I absolutely love the formula of all of them. Love the demi matte formula because it's not too matte, but it's not too shiny. It's right there in the middle. Love the formula that has the golden pearls. The packaging is so pretty because it's that nice, luxurious black packaging. These were definitely worth the wait. I was getting so impatient. Definitely worth the wait. And if you haven't purchased yours yet, and if you're not as impatient as me and you're waiting for it to land on Sephora, I would definitely, if you're my complexion, I would definitely recommend the two that I like, the Desert Orchid and the Paradise Venus. Those are my favorites. But even the bright colors, as you saw, they're very buildable. You can go in with a light hand and just get a wash of color, or you can definitely build it. The only one that was like right there was, I think it was this shade, or was it this shade? I think it was this shade. This was like the brightest one, the coral colored one. But I like them all. I'm definitely going to use all of them. And for the deeper shades, I'm going to build them as I want. If I don't want it that deep, I'm not going to have it that deep. But as you can see, you can tone it down with highlighter, or you can, you know, add some more. Her first launch of blushes, I think she did a fantastic job. I really, really love all the shades, but especially those two. I hope this wasn't all over the place because I just got them today. I wanted to film it because I want to get it up tomorrow when it launches at Sephora. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I certainly did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.